Recently, I went to Singapore, and honestly, one place completely surprised me. Not mall, not shopping street, but garden. And not normal garden. This one had giant glowing super trees, massive indoor waterfall, and plants from around the world growing inside futuristic glass domes. The place is called Garden by the Bay, and the moment I entered, I felt like this is not just garden, this is the future of gardening. So in today's video, I am taking you along the magical garden by the bay. And trust me, some things I learned here really changed how I look at plants and gardens. This place is huge. Gardens by the Bay spread over 101 hectares, which is around 250 acres. So basically, you are walking inside massive futuristic botanical world. The first thing that grabs your attention is something unbelievable. These giant structures that look like trees from another planet. These are super trees. They are around 25 to 50 meters tall, and at night they light up beautifully. But here is the interesting part. They are not just decorated, they are actually vertical gardens covered with more than 1,60,000 plants from over 200 species. So imagine this, a tree made of steel but fully alive with plants. The super trees designed by Grant Associates are not just beautiful, they generate solar energy, collect rainwater, support vertical gardens, so they are actually eco machines. Then you see these huge glass domes. They almost look like spaceships. Inside these domes are two main conservatories, flower dome and cloud forest. They are designed using steel structures and thousands of glass panels. And inside, the climate is completely controlled. So even though Singapore is hot, inside you grow plants from cooler regions. Cool, right? Inside the flower dome, it feels like you are in completely different country. The climate is cool and dry. You will see plants like olive trees, succulents and cactus gardens. But what I really loved here is that the flower display themes keep changing throughout the year. So every time you visit, you get completely different experience. When we visited in January, the theme was based on Christmas holidays, and honestly, it was magical. The entire dome was decorated so beautifully, full festive vibes, flowers, and creative setups. And one interesting thing was they had collaboration with Lego. They created whole mini town and train setup using Lego, surrounded by flowers and plants. It looked so detailed and creative, like small fantasy world inside the garden. So it's not just about the plants here, it's all about storytelling through plants, design and creativity. That's what makes the flower dome really special. The magical cloud forest. Now comes my favorite part, the cloud forest. The moment you enter, you see huge indoor waterfall falling from mountain. The waterfall is around 35 meters tall and the mountain is fully covered with plants. When I was walking inside the cloud forest, one question kept coming to my mind. How do all these plants grow so perfectly inside the building? Because normally these plants grow in high mountain forest where the environment is very cool, humid and misty. So the entire cloud forest is actually designed to recreate that mountain ecosystem artificially. The temperature inside is maintained around 23 to 25 degrees Celsius, which is much cooler than Singapore's normal weather. And every few hours, the garden releases fine mist or fog, which increases humidity and also helps cool the space naturally. This mist is what gives the place that magical cloud forest feeling. If you look closely at mountain walls, most plants are not planted in deep soil. Instead, they grow in special vertical planting panels. You can see here lightweight planting media, irrigation pipes, drainage layers. So, water slowly flows through the system and keeps the plants hydrated. Many plants growing here are epiphytes. Epiphytes are plants that grow on surface or trees instead of soil. So you will see here orchids, bromeliads, air plants and types of ferns. These plants naturally grow on tree trunks in tropical forests, so they adapt very well to vertical gardens like this mountain wall. The cloud forest contains thousands of plants from tropical mountain region around the world. Some interesting species I noticed here are orchid known for large colorful flowers, air plants because these plants are really easy to grow and they absorb moisture directly from the air. There are some fascinating carnivorous plants that traps insects. And I was surprised to see begonias. Many rare varieties grow here. These plants are commonly found in cloud forests of South America and Southeast Asia. Even though the space is indoor, you can still see some beautiful flowering trees and shrubs. You will see rhododendrons famous for colorful blooms in mountain climates, magnolia known for large fragrant flowers, dendrobium orchids that produce colorful beautiful spray of flowers. These plants are selected carefully because they naturally grow in cool mountain forest similar to the cloud forest environment. You might wonder how do these plants flower inside building without natural season? The answer is controlled climate and light. The conservatory uses combination of natural sunlight through the glass roof, controlled temperature, automated watering and balanced nutrients. Because the environment stays stable all year, plants are not stressed by extreme weather, which actually helps them bloom regularly. For some plants, gardeners also adjust light exposure and watering cycle to encourage flowering. So the garden team is basically creating perfect climate for plants to thrive. Maintaining garden like this require huge team of horticulturists. Every day they monitor temperature, humidity, irrigation system, plant health. So behind the beauty of the cloud forest is actually lot of science, planning and plant care. The place shows how humans can recreate natural ecosystem inside cities while still protecting and celebrating plant diversity. After visiting this place, I realized something. Gardens by the Bay, it's not just garden, it's vision of the future. A place where nature, technology and design come together. And honestly, for plant lovers like us, it's pure inspiration. If you ever visit Singapore, don't miss this place. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Garden Vibes. See you in the next video. Happy gardening!